Okay, job number 2 is I'm going to adjust this chain. It's done a few Ks now, and there's a little bit too much. It's not too bad, but a little bit too much slack there. So I'll just give it a tweak up. I don't like running them too tight because I feel all that does is make them stretch quicker. So we'll just give that a little bit of a tweak up though, and then give him a clean and an oil. Haven't cleaned him up from yesterday yet, so we'll get that done. So as you can see, that's supposed to be 30 to 45 mil. That's probably more like 50, 45 to 50. So we're going to undo these little bolts here and just adjust that out until this becomes correct. Tighten everything up, make sure the wheels are centered and are not out of line, and tighten everything up, and then we'll be right to go for another few thousand Ks. So I adjusted that about half one of those. You see the little line, half one of those slots, and it's actually quite a bit too tight now. So it doesn't have to be changed much, so we'll back that off to get a little bit more slack in there. Most of the time I just do this by eye, but for the exercise, it's probably still a little bit too tight. And that's right about there. I'll do this side up. Then you just tighten the axle back up. Just making sure that you line up one of these castles out there with the split pin hole. There's no need to spread these too far apart. That'll be fine, that won't catch on anything. And the chain's adjusted.